the most critical factor for us has been establishing a network, establishing relationships. It's those relationships that have really driven our business. Since COVID, I feel like the events industry has gotten extremely saturated. So with that, it's kind of remembering why we got into it.
Yeah.
What differentiates us, right?
Yeah.
I think we have, especially with our backgrounds, we have such a core focus on like client experience. And we try our best to enhance that every year as much as possible. Those things have been really important for us in our business growth. It's also a matter of knowing what your goals are. I think people are so wrapped up in social media, seeing what everybody else is doing and saying, you're not seeing the struggle, you're not seeing how long the person's been doing what they're doing to get to where they're at. Like, success doesn't happen overnight.
No.
It's a lot of that. I personally manage the social media right now. I rarely go on my personal page, right? Because to me now, it's like, it's about business. It's about promoting our product. It's about focusing on that. It's just staying in our lane of like, we know what our goals are. We know what we want to achieve over time, you know, short term and long term. Just staying focused and committed to that.